Today I'll be showing you how to make a health bar using Scratch. So delete your cat sprite and paint a new sprite. Now use this rectangle tool and make your color to green. So now you'll just want to zoom in a lot of times. Make sure you see the center target as you zoom in. Make sure you still see it when you zoom in, because we'll be needing that. So now you want to draw. Now we want to count a rectangle 5 squares from the target. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're gonna count 5 squares to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then use the mouse select tool, hold Alt, and first center this, hold Alt, and just drag it and set the color to black. And then put this in the center, and then hold Alt Shift, or maybe Option Shift on a Mac. Then just make it bigger. Move it to the back. And this will, and now my health bar doesn't look exactly like the health bar, so I'll just move that out. And now this is at full health, and so I'll name this 10. And now we're gonna duplicate this, move this one to the top, name it 9. And then make this less wider, make it like that. Actually a bit less, like that. And then you can just duplicate it again, move this to the top, make it 8. Select this and do that. Duplicate it, move this top, name it 7. And then make this smaller, duplicate this, name the 6, and then make it smaller, and then duplicate this, move this to top, name it 5, make this smaller, duplicate it, move it to the top, name this 4, make it smaller, duplicate it, make this 3, make this smaller, and then duplicate it. Then just move it to the top. You don't have to rename it, because we want this name too. And then make this smaller, and then remove the last one, and then make it until it's a little square, a perfect square or close to that. Duplicate it, move this to the top, name this 0, and then this time instead of making it smaller, we'll completely delete it. So now we're gonna do green flag clicked. Then we're gonna make a variable. Delete this my variable and make a variable called health. And now we're gonna set health to 10 at first. And we're gonna make this a slider. But you see, we're able to move this to 100. when it gets here, we want it to just be 10. How do we do that? We're gonna right click on it, change slider range to 10. And now we wanna forever. And then we're gonna switch our costume to 10. And with our 10, put the health variable. And now if we run the project, it's kind of working. Although it's not going to full health, it's only going to here. And if I move this to no health, it's just going to full health. So why is this happening? Well, because we have 11 costumes, but can only go to 10. You might be thinking, should we change the slider range? Well, maybe, but it's not. Because what will not be fixed? It will fix the part where we can't go to full health, but it won't fix where we can't go to no health. So we're gonna change. So instead of just switching costume to health, don't delete it, but move it out of the switch costume block and get the plus operator. And then over here, put 1, and on the other side, put health. Now put that in switch costume to 10. And now the problem should be fixed. You see, I can put it to full health, and then I'm gonna put it to 0. It's at 0. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon on the top right corner. Bye.